Hello developers. So we just dropping our new tutorial playlist called as YouTube Dummy. So in our YouTube Dummy app, it is same as the YouTube app in the Android. So in our app, we have basically five screens: home, trending, subscription, inbox, and the library. In this tutorial, we just gonna make a fully developed app of Android YouTube. If we see the five screens, first one is home, then second one is trending, then third one is subscription, and the fourth one in inbox, and the fifth one is the library. So in this project, we gonna use architecture Viper and how we build the fully developed app in Viper. Look into the app. What we have a home, we have a subscription, we have a trending, we have an inbox, and the library. I just developed a YouTube dummy app which after development will look like this. So basically if we see, it have a tab bar at the bottom, and it consists of a five sections called home, trending, subscription, inbox, and library. And if you see at the top, we have a navigation bar which consists of icons of a YouTube and the tab bar items called video, search, and the profile. If we see the content of this view controller, we have a table view which consists of a sort of information of the videos. If you see, when we scroll, the UI navigation bar hides itself. So we're gonna just learn how this works. Then we go to our second section called as trending. In trending, it is same as the home, but what's the difference? The main difference is the upper section consists of a collection view which contains three cells: music, news, and movies, and the another cells are basically same. So we just heading towards the subscription section. In subscription, we have a upper view called as collection view cell, and at the right of it we have button all, and we when we click on the all, we have all the channels you just subscribe in your YouTube. And we go to inbox. In inbox there are two sections: messages and notifications. So how we develop this app? We have, when we scroll to the right of the screen, we go to the notification, and when we go to the left of the screen, we go to the messages, and you just see the black moving view. It just go as the screen scrolls, right? So in this we learn the collection view and the table view, and we at the last, it is the library. Library contains a table view which contains, in the first section we have a collection view, then in the second section we have cells, and in the third section we have also table view cells. If you start learning our playlist from starting to end, you're gonna learn various things. First of all, the architecture Viper. Second one, the tab bar controller. The third one, collection view cell. Fourth, table view. And in the single table view, how you deal with more than one cells. So please like the video and please subscribe so that you get the notification when we just upload our new video. Thank you.